the Pauna farmhouse caretaker, and he talks about how Sushant was furious about Ria's expenses. One. Secondly, we have got 4 witnesses on record who say that before she died, Disha called Sushant. We have got 2 witnesses on record who say that Sushant further told someone. We've got 1 more witness on record who has said that one person who Sushant informed about what happened to Disha was none other than Ria Chakrabarti. And we've got another individual on record who says we've got a whole testimony of this from Rohan Rai. We've got a further testimony on record today that Sushant wanted to enhance security the moment Disha left this world. That the moment Disha died, he felt he could be killed and murdered, and he wanted his security enhanced because he said they may kill me like this as well. And Siddharth Pitani, who has also by now confessed Pradeep. Pradeep is on the debate right now. Siddharth Pitani, who has confessed, and Pradeep will debate with Mohammad Tausif. Let me complete this, however. Siddharth Pitani has now said to the CBI that Sushant feared for his life. After Disha died, further corroborated by someone who said, I had a 22-minute phone conversation with Sushant, and Sushant told me that they wanted to kill him, that the same people who killed Disha wanted to kill him. We have 2 further testimonies on this. So all the evidence that is now coming out is coming out in a very factual and detailed manner. This case can only be closed, Dinesh Rao. My view is, since there are so many inconsistencies in the narratives of the key persons which are coming out, and certain people like Rohan Rai have left the city. So today the question really which comes to my mind is this, and can you stop?
Is it a suicide? Is it a homicide? I'm only saying that let the investigating agency conduct the investigation in accordance with law. Let's not jump the gun here.
CBI officials are comprises of fools. They're intelligent officers. CBI team are super cops. They're super investigators, and they're far more intelligent than your reporters and studio investigation.
Yeah, you don't need to make comments on my reporters. They are better than you.
Without recording the evidence of Rohan Rai as the last person who had seen her alive.
Okay.
I mean, there are obvious goof-ups. So who is going to question the Mumbai police, and why is this matter not coming up? Definitely.
What CBI is doing, this is something which you cannot just put a finger on. So what we have to see is that as one of the person asked the question for CBI, you have to see that in this narcotics also, they had waited for a while to nab Ria because they did not want her to flee by a bail. So this is what is going to happen in CBI too. They cannot just go and arrest someone so that the next they file a bail plea and then they move on. They need hard-earned.
No, I think the critical thing here is, I think, may I, for God's sake, Vikas, were you a backbencher in class 3? You are behaving like a backbencher, you know. Backbenchers have to be told 5 times by the prefect that you sit down. Thank God you weren't in school with me. Be quiet. Be quiet. Here's my question. I can't. I was never good at this. But can I, Anuja, just a minute. You see, the point I want to make is, in any crime, there is the issue of motive. Financial fraud, ED is looking motive. Drugs angle, NCB is looking motive. Crime, concealment of evidence, CBI is looking at motive, and therefore for me it appears, Professor Rao, Dr. Rao, that you need to now bring the key suspects face to face. Question Rashmi Desai and Rohan Rai, right? Question Rohan Rai and Nitesh Rane face to face. Call the builder, the actors, and that one politician from Mumbai face to face. The big guys in the penthouse urging Disha Salian to come. Question Pitani and Ria face to face. Question Sandeep Singh and Ria, because Sandeep Singh and Ria refuse to acknowledge that they know each other. But they are spotted with Suraj Singh at Cooper Hospital, so they should be cross-examined to identify the inconsistencies in their narratives. And you need to question Uday Singh Gauri and Ria, because the justice for Ria the brigade must demand that Sushant's talent manager Uday Singh Gauri spoke to Sushant 5 times in 7 minutes on June 13th. And Ria also spoke to him for 649 seconds. A pretty long call on the 9th of June. You need to question these people face to face. Dipesh, the friend SSR spoke to about the e-commerce deal, the farmhouse caretaker, and Ria, bring them face to face. You get the inconsistencies, the whole case opens up. That's my view. What do you think, Professor Rao?
No, definitely there should be what exactly you suggested. I think the CBI has to act on that. And one important information I would like to give based on the pattern of injuries on Disha's body. Definitely there are two sets of injuries which I noticed. One set of injury is due to fall and another set of injuries were before the fall. That means definitely there were injuries before the fall which need to be investigated, and the presence of two different sets of injuries, that is the injuries due to fall from height and other injuries, definitely leads to the possible homicide.
So you are saying that she was, from what you're reading of the information is, that she could have been subject to trauma before, Savio, this is big, subject to trauma before fall.
Yes.
Exactly.
You remember
Correct.
in Sunanda's case also there were bruises on the
Yes.
body.
That's what it means.
That's what he means. What Professor Rao has said is very important. That means the SSR case is one of homicide as well because they're direct link.
Yes, that's what it means.
Yes, possible, because
You know,
either she
Arnav,
has
we
been
Very critical.
assaulted or tortured, or that was the reason she might have escaped some assault, and any of these
Huge.
can be added up. But definitely one set of injuries is not due to fall from height, but definitely those were the injuries, maybe what you call a resistance injury or
Resistance
a restraint
injury.
that cannot be ruled out.
See, that's a very important statement. Unfortunately, it's come at the end of this debate, but very important point made there. We have disagreed on occasion on other issues, but look at what Professor Rao has said. Brilliant point. Viewers, Disha is a homicide. 100% Sushant is a homicide. Lot of material coming up. We are tracking the story very closely. The homicide angle has exploded.